What blended learning is and what blended learning is not. Blended learning is a popular teaching style that is changing the way teachers reach out to students. By breaking the normal classroom routine that our grandparents once knew, teachers are able to meet students where they are by using what online classes have to offer, plus technology, and mix them into the classroom. This growing technique creates a more personalized learning environment, giving students control over time, place, path, and pace. Time. Students are no longer being confined to the school day or year. Blended learning allows for more time than that of the school day. Place. Instead of learning just in the classroom with an instructor, blended learning can be done at home as well. Path. Students no longer are within the bounds of the practice and methods of the teacher. Pace. All different learning levels are met with blended learning. No longer does the entire class set the pace of a lesson, but now the individual student can set that pace. Blended learning is not technology rich. It is also not the typical from home online class, and it is also not the traditional classroom structure. But what about parents and teachers? The roles of teachers have now been switched from lesson delivering to classroom facilitator. With students setting their own pace for learning, teachers are now free to move about the classroom, giving students individual attention as they need it. The lines of communication are open with blended learning. Teachers are now being more available for students verbally, by phone, by email, or via social networking sites. In a classroom setting, teachers are only available to students during the allotted school day. Data collection. This new method of blended learning allows for teachers and parents to constantly track the progress of their student with data collection. This keeps the student accountable when their progress starts to slip. The student responsive data collection is great. This technique is also keeping students accountable in their learning and allowing them to stay challenged in class. With the old style of pencil and paper in the rearview mirror, blended learning is certainly the wave of the future of learning.
Created using Powtoon.